Cat here. Every week I share videos of what it's like to raise 7 rescued and adopted cats in a tiny apartment as a full-time cat mom. When away from home, I cheapskate travel, exploring less conventional places around the world. So if you're into animals, budget travel, adventures, and or explorations, hey, please consider subscribing and turning on that notification.
Off to Vietnam by myself for the first time. Woo!
Wow, just my camera stuff is 8.8 pounds. Right, I got my laundry bag, face mask, extra bag in case there's stuff, underwear bag, documents for visa, extra towel, bath towel that's super thin. This thing is like, doesn't look like anything. This is actually a bath towel. Got 3 sets of clothes. I got sleeping clothes, I got a rain poncho, umbrella, bras and panties, got a hat, got my hiking sun visor, and USB cards. Oh, that's very important. USB cards. What's a USB card? That's an SD card. Jeez. Sunglasses. Where's my other ones? Sunglasses, and that's about it. Oh, hair thingy. And a big bag of toiletries and sunscreen. Got some Pepto-Bismol for upset stomach, allergy medicine, gravel for, what is it, in case I get the runs. This is flu medicine, painkillers. Well, isn't this gonna be exciting? I'm gonna be going to Vietnam for a week tomorrow, and it's raining really bad outside. It's actually, well, you can't really see from here, but it's thunder showers over there too. It's no better. Don't worry, I got my rain poncho ready.